Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel. Here I share recipes for delicious and healthy dishes. Today we are going to cook lasagna with bechamel sauce. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss new and useful recipes. Subscribe to our channel and see you next time. Bye bye.